Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find any games in a Google Play Store on a Google Pixel Fold. And to do this, first let's launch our Google Play Store, and here just to show you, we're gonna try to find some games. Let's go for Call of Duty, and as you can see there's icon for the game, but when we click on it nothing happens. And to fix this we'll need to go back, click on our profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and move to the settings. Right here find the family, enter parental controls, and right here you can either disable parental controls entirely with a switch right here, or go for apps and games, insert your PIN code and click on OK. Then we can increase PG to at least 16 and make sure to save the settings afterwards. And if we try to find the games again, Call of Duty right here, we can install it with this button. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.